everyone, if you're new here, this is Molly and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna create this particular makeup look which I'm already in, and this is gonna be an one brand tutorial of MAC products. So whatever I will be using today, like primer to setting spray to lipstick to foundation, bronzer, blush and blah 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 so on, whatever I will be using today, all the products are of one brand, that is MAC. I think MAC is the brand which is every girl's most desired products, isn't it? I think all the MAC products are really beautiful. You don't have to think before purchasing a MAC product. So I genuinely hope you guys will like this video. So before jumping into the main video, if you are new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So whatever products I will be using today in this video, all the links are available in the description box, so go and check it out if you want to purchase any of the product which I have shown you in this video. So further ado, let's get started. So guys, it's been a while since I have applied the toner and moisturizer. I think about 20 minutes. After that, I am applying this MAC Prep Plus Prime as my primer. This is a beautiful primer water. After that, I am taking this MAC concealer in the shade NW42. This is a kind of orange concealer for me. I am in the shade NC42 foundation. So I'm applying this wherever I have some pimple causing marks and pigmentations and so on. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. After that, I'm taking this MAC Mineralized Foundation in the shade NC42. So Studio Fix foundation is very famous, but I need a very dewy kind of finish look. That's why I have taken this Mineralized foundation. This is basically for dry skin type. So if you are dry skin type, then you can use this foundation, Mineralized foundation. But if you are oily skin type, then definitely go for the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I also have that, but today I just need some dewy finish. That's why I took this. I'm blending it with the help of a beauty blender. Applying it on the neck as well, and I'm taking the second coat because I just thought that this is not giving me a better coverage today, so that's why I took the second coat wherever I need, like my nose area. And I love it. So next I'm going to take this MAC eyebrow pencil. It comes with a spoolie, which I like about this product, and I'm in the shade medium brown. So I'm applying this to fill in my eyebrows. So this is very light color, so if you have a very thin eyebrows, I won't recommend this particular shade, but I have personally a very thick eyebrows, that's why I'm taking this shade. Spreading the whole product with the help of spoolie. After that, I'm taking this MAC concealer in the shade NC42. This is a Studio Fix concealer, and I'm applying this on the bridge of the nose, eyebrows, middle of the jawbone area, eyelid, under eye portion, just to highlight a little bit because I have already applied the NW42 concealer to hide my pimple causing marks. So I'm just applying this concealer just to highlight my high points, blending it with the same beauty blender. So whatever brushes and sponges I'm using, those are not from MAC. I just wanted to clarify, guys, just the products are from MAC. Next, I'm going this Studio Fix MAC compact powder, and I'm in the shade NC42 again. I like to use the same shade of compact powder with the foundation shade. This compact powder actually comes with a sponge, but I think the brush does the better work. That's why I'm spreading it with the help of a brush. Next, I'm taking this MAC single eyeshadow, and in the shade Swiss Chocolate, I'm applying this on the lid as well as on the crease. So I'm mainly concentrating on the lid, and after that I'm blending it onto the crease. I'm applying the same shade on the lower lash line as well. After that, I'm taking this MAC white liner and I'm placing this on the lower waterline of my eyes just to make it a little bit bigger. After that, I'm taking this MAC Technicolor liner. I don't know how it actually pronounces, so I'm applying this on the upper waterline. After that, I'm taking this MAC bronzer and I'm in the shade Matte Bronze. It gives a very warmth to your face, which I like. Next, for blush, I am taking this MAC powder blush in the shade Raisin and I'm applying this on the apple of the cheeks as well as a little bit on the tip of the nose. After that, I'm taking this beautiful highlighter and I'm in the shade Soft and Gentle. This is a very beautiful highlighter for medium skin tone, guys. So if you are from medium to whitish skin tone, definitely you can use this particular shade. This is a beautiful golden undertoned shade. I'm applying this on the bridge of the nose, forehead, apple of the cheeks, brow bone, everywhere, cupid's bow as well, inner corner of my eyes, and also on the mid of my eyelid just to enhance the whole eyeshadow look. So whenever you apply a pigmented shade with the help of your finger, it enhances to its best. After that, I'm taking this MAC mascara in the shade Blue. So today I just wanted to play with a little bit of colors. That's why I took this particular mascara. So it's also available in brown and black and various shades. I am using this blue shade today. And this is my complete final eye look. For the lips, today I'm using this MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Oh Lady. This is a very beautiful purple undertoned shade and I'm gonna place it right onto my lips today. Very bold color, guys, as you can see. So finishing the makeup with the MAC Prep Plus Prime water again, setting the whole thing, and this is my final look, guys. So guys, this is my complete review of the products and the makeup look which I have shared with you all, and I genuinely hope you guys like this video. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well. And during this video, if you start liking me a little bit, you can follow me on my social sites. The link is provided on the description box as well. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Take care. Bye bye.